Are you feeling isolated working remotely? Here's a smarter option. Working remotely gives you freedom. No traffic, no fixed hours, and full control over how you plan your day. But let's be honest, sometimes it gets a little bit lonely. You miss spontaneous conversations, being part of a team atmosphere, and the simple energy of a shared office. Whether you're building something big or working on your own projects, sometimes just being around others brings focus and motivation. That's why having a flexible space to go to, even once in a while, can make a big difference. According to a 2024 report by our labs, 67% of remote workers said they felt more productive in a co-working space than at home. And this is why, right in the heart of Riyadh, we've created a state-of-the-art co-working space designed for remote workers, entrepreneurs, and business teams. And you can book it for a short period or long periods, whether you're a solo professional or part of a growing team. And here's what we offer: private offices, hot desks, and shared lounges. We have modern meeting rooms, kitchen space, and relaxation zones. Ultra-fast Wi-Fi, tech support, and everything you need to stay productive. This isn't just a place to work, it's a place to grow. You don't have to leave remote work behind. You just need the right balance. Drop in for a few days, book a meeting space, or make it a weekly go-to. You're in control. And in Riyadh's fast-growing business scene, having a professional space in the city center can open doors you did not expect. Remote work brings freedom, but it also blurs boundaries. Long hours alone can lead to burnout, fatigue, and lack of creative energy. If you're feeling drained, stuck, or just need a fresh environment and a friendly face, our doors are always open. Sometimes all you need is a coffee, quiet corner, and a spark of positive energy to reset your day. Safari Style welcomes you whether you stay for an hour or for a whole week. If remote work is starting to feel a little too remote, this might be your sign. Try our Riyadh co-working space. Work how you want while staying connected, supported, and inspired. If you watch this all the way through, thank you for your time. I'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or your experiences with remote work and co-working. Drop a comment or message me directly. Let's keep this conversation going. Work is evolving. The smartest thing we can do is evolve with it.